So in case you change your R36s console language and you'd like it to restore it back to the default language, it's pretty simple. Now all you have to do is just power on your R36s and you should get to this homepage, and then simply press the start button. And then from here, scroll down and select these advanced settings. Now, for some languages, it might be advanced settings, but for some other language, it might change. So you just scroll down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and then select advanced settings. And then from here, scroll down twice. So 1, 2, and then this is the option for the language. And then select it, and then choose any language that you'd like to use. So let's say, for instance, if the default was English, simply highlight it and then press on A to select it. And then once you're done, simply go back and your R36s will boot up to change the language. So give it a few seconds for it to restart. And then once it has restarted, the language will be changed back to default. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.